Let there be light.
Easy Light is a powerful editor tool with 45 professionally crafted lighting presets designed to bring AAA quality realism to your Unreal Engine environments in seconds. Each preset is fully editable, but honestly, you probably won't need to touch a thing. They're already optimized for a wide range of environments, delivering stunning photorealistic results right out of the box. With just 4 clicks, you can apply the perfect lighting mode and instantly elevate your scene. No guesswork, no hassle. I spent 2 months building and refining this tool, testing countless lighting scenarios to dial in the ideal settings for realism, and I can say with confidence, it was worth it. As an Unreal Engine artist, Easy Light has made my workflow dramatically smoother, and I'm sure it will do the same for you. Get Easy Light for just $19.99 during the launch sale. I chose a low price to make sure it's accessible to everyone, because great lighting shouldn't be a luxury. If you're trying to make the world a little more beautiful by crafting breathtaking environments, Easy Light will help you get there faster and with less friction. As the story goes, let there be light, and there was light. Now, it's your turn to let there be light. Happy lighting with Easy Light.